This is a heavy chip garage floor package and the Ocean Drive blend of chips. It was installed in only one day by HoustonTexas.com. And I'm going to show you right now how we do this. The first thing we do is protect the driveway with a giant tarp. Take 10-pound weights and put them on all four corners of the tarp. Otherwise the wind blows it away. Now I back up the van onto the tarp. That way, when we open the doors of the van, nothing falls out and stains the customer's driveway. Driveways are pretty expensive, about $10,000. Now we're going to tape the walls. We're going to protect the customer's walls. No one's perfect. Epoxy, urethane, all types of coatings are going to splatter a little bit in the walls. So you want to protect them. I mean, $40 in tape versus a new paint job on your walls. We're going to grind the concrete. You have to grind the concrete before you coat it. The reason is because coatings won't grip onto a smooth surface. We're about to mix up the crack filler. We're using a polyester resin that's flexible. You don't want to fill cracks with concrete or epoxy because concrete is not flexible and neither is epoxy. So we use a polyester resin. Also, this polyester resin keeps its place. It holds itself against the walls and pushes outwardly. That way, when the concrete moves, it doesn't break away. So make sure you hire someone that knows what to put in these cracks and why they are using what they're using, so that you don't hire someone that can't explain it. That's a good sign that they don't really know what they're doing. So we're going to mix this up, and then we're going to fill the cracks, and then we're going to put the coating on top of this. We're going to mix up the coating into buckets and then apply it to the floor and then put all of these chips on top of the coating. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 buckets of chips. All these chips are going to go on top of the floor coating. That way the floor is totally saturated with chips. Let's get this mixed up. Okay, so we've installed the chips on the floor and on the majority of the vertical surfaces. But as you can see, we've got a bald spot right here. So I'm gonna go around with more coating and touch it up and throw some chips on it. So whenever you throw chips while you're doing the floor on the sides, you'll often get this. You'll have to come back behind yourself after the floor dries and touch up these spots. You can just wait until the whole floor is done and then do the sidewalls all at once. It kind of depends on, you know, how you feel about doing it. It's really no difference. You can touch it up and do it all together. So here we go. Let's get it on. We're all done. In one day, we transformed this garage floor into a work of beauty. Check out HoustonTexas.com and call the phone number on the website to get yourself a garage floor like this installed in only one day.